Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're able to join me for this video. So as you guys already saw, the Subaru Brat project dropped today, the opener for it. So we're in the middle of that build as well as the stock car build. As you'll see if you follow the video through the build through all the videos, it gets pretty lengthy. There's a lot of steps to this video for the Subaru Brat, and I think we're up around update 6 right now, and they're set to come out down the road. But what I wanted to point out was, coming down the road, without spoiling too much, I have a huge disaster with painting because I'm a brand new airbrusher. I'm learning the technique as I go, and it's costing me some money. But what saved me a little bit of money today, and I feel like it needs to be mentioned, was after I failed to prepare the surface of the model the way it should have been prepared, I ended up screwing up the paint job. So what I was going to paint it with is this forest green metallic by MCW, which I did paint it with. And so I had to go ahead and take that paint off and sand it down the best I could. And so now I got to repaint it. So I went on the website and I ordered another one of these forest green metallics. But what ended up happening was my system, I think, glitched out, and I ended up getting 2 orders of the forest green metallic. And of course, because I just ordered one bottle twice, I ended up paying the smallest amount of shipping, but the shipping obviously doubled. I think they realized that at MCW, and they sent me this clear coat to make up for the extra cost. I didn't order this clear coat. MCW didn't ask me to make this video. There's no paid advertisement or whatever. All I'm doing is pointing out high quality customer service. I will continue to do business with MCW with the customer service that they offered me with this order. Thank you, MCW. I appreciate it. Like I said, they didn't pay me to say this. The only thing that they offered me was high quality customer service, and I appreciate that. Till we see each other again, everybody out there be safe and everybody be blessed.